In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Chatgpt memory to Claude. The key thing to know up front is that you can't directly transfer memory between Chatgpt and Claude. There's no automatic sync or import button, so the only reliable approach is a simple manual method that works well if you do it carefully. Start by opening Chatgpt. Head into Settings, then look for Memory or Data. Depending on your interface, this section may be named slightly differently, but it's where ChatGPT stores or displays information it can remember about your preferences and context. Take a moment to review what's there and identify the pieces you actually want to carry over. You're looking for concise, evergreen details that help future conversations run smoothly, like your preferred writing tone, formatting style, ongoing project names you frequently reference, the type of answers you like to receive, and any standard instructions you repeat. Keep it practical and avoid copying sensitive information such as personal contact details, private credentials, or anything you wouldn't want stored by another AI. Now, copy that important info. If it's scattered, it helps to rewrite it into a short, clear summary. A few brief lines or compact paragraphs can make a big difference. For example, you might write a quick profile of your role, a sentence on tone and length preferences, and a list of recurring topics or tools you use. The clearer and more structured your summary is, the better Claude will handle it later. Next, open Claude and start a new chat. Paste the summary you just prepared directly into the message box. Right after the pasted text, add a clear instruction so Claude treats it as memory material. A simple line works best. Remember this for future chats. That phrasing tells Claude that this information is meant to guide future interactions, not just the current conversation. After you send it, you should see a confirmation or an acknowledgement that the details have been received. From that point on, Claude can reference those preferences and details as you continue chatting. Keep in mind that each model handles memory differently, and long-term retention depends on its current features and policies, so it's smart to keep your summary handy. If your preferences evolve or your projects change, repeat this manual process to refresh what Claude knows. That's all there is to it. Review and copy your key details in ChatGPT, paste them into Claude, and say, "Also remember this for future chats." While there's no direct transfer, this quick manual approach gets you nearly the same result.